Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'm going to review skincare from a popular Korean skincare brand, Some by Me. Their name comes from something plus by a miracle, and they focus on creating products that are easy to use and effective. If you're looking for brightening your skin, then their Yuja Niacin anti-blemish serum is perfect. It is a hydrating and brightening serum with 83% Yuja extract and 10% niacinamide. It also has ingredients like glutathione and arbutin that targets pigmentation. It also has 12 vitamin complex to target skin dullness, and I love how lightweight and hydrating it feels. It gives this beautiful glow to the skin. It doesn't feel sticky and gives this dewy radiance. You can use it after washing your face both AM and PM, and if you have dull, dehydrated and pigmented skin, then you'd love the glow it gives. It can work for all skin types, but if your skin is allergic to limonene and linalool, then you can avoid it. If you're looking for anti-aging routine, then you can try Some by Me Retinol Intense Trial Kit. This kit contains Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum and Retinol Intense Advanced Trial Action Eye Cream. This retinol serum has this powerful blend of retinol and bakuchiol to target your wrinkles, then fine lines. The texture of this serum is so silky. It also has ingredients like panthenol, niacinamide, then licorice to brighten up your skin to support the skin barrier, and with 0.1% retinol, it can work for even beginners. It is suitable for all skin types. It also works for post-acne marks and skin texture, and the formula is so gentle and hydrating that it doesn't feel drying like other many retinol serums, because this is very good for nourishing your skin to support your skin barrier along with giving you the performance of retinol to target your signs of aging. And since the formula is really hydrating, it reduces the drying effect of retinol. Now let me tell you how to use this serum. After cleansing your skin, apply this serum on your skin. For the first and second week, just apply it in the evening once or twice in a week. As your skin adapts to the formulation, you can increase the usage from 3 to 5 times. I have noticed my skin feels smoother and firmer after using this serum. It didn't give me any skin irritation. It didn't cause skin dryness. I really love the formulation. I use this in my PM routine and it makes my skin glow in the morning. And the retinol eye cream has a rich formula that targets dark circles and fine lines. It also has 0.1% retinol. It also has niacinamide, panthenol, mushroom extract and centella extract. It doesn't feel too heavy, doesn't clog the pores. For usage, follow the same pattern as the retinol serum. I used eye creams that ended up giving me milia, but it didn't do that. It smoothens and works on fine lines. It's a very good multitasking eye cream. And if you want soothing products along with your retinol routine for giving you the barrier support, then you can try Some by Me Truecica Miracle Repair Starter Kit. This range has black snail mucin secretion filtrate and Truecica to support your skin barrier and to give you hydrated skin. This kit contains Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Low pH Gel Cleanser that gently cleanses the skin without drying. It also has 5 types of ceramides, amino complex and peptides. You can use this both day and night. I love that it makes my skin so soft after cleansing. Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Toner has 90% snail secretion filtrate, niacinamide and white flower complex to balance and brighten the skin. It feels intensely hydrating. You can use this every day in your AM and PM routine. It plumps my skin instantly and gives dewy glow. Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum feels so soothing and hydrating with sage, willow bark and allantoin. If you have skin redness or skin irritation, this will take care of that. You can use it twice in a day. I have noticed it calms down my redness so well and supports skin barrier. Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Cream has 40% snail secretion filtrate, niacinamide and centella. It nourishes the skin while soothing it. There are creams that make the skin appear dull, but this one doesn't do that. It feels so comfortable on the skin. It is great for everyday use. It doesn't peel and works great under makeup as well. It provides long-lasting nourishment without being sticky or greasy. I truly love how hydrating and soothing the products feel, but except the serum, the other products contains limonene, so avoid it if your skin is allergic to that. Let me know if you have any questions and check the description box for more information. And thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.